Hey friends, and welcome back. Today I wanted to share with you the easiest way I have found to clean my stove burners. It is like embarrassing how disgusting these guys were. The drip pans are just like filled with stuff, and I tell you, I have tried everything to clean these, like vinegar and baking soda, all of the hacks that I've seen on Pinterest. Nothing was working, so I found another hack using ammonia and decided I was going to give it a try. So I just dumped all the crud out. Does Daddy cook or does Daddy burn?
Enjoy your food, people.
That's a Cheerio.
Let me see. What?
It's dead. I quit.
So I took all of the drip pans and put them inside of a trash bag, and the fumes of the ammonia is what cleans these, not the actual ammonia itself. So I just took some clear ammonia. We did this outside because obviously the fumes of ammonia are quite strong, and I poured in maybe like a cup of ammonia into the trash bag and then tied it to seal it all up so the fumes could get to work. And we left this entire trash bag outside overnight and then dealt with it in the morning. I also did the same thing with our burners. You just want to make sure that the electrical prong parts of your burners are at the top of your bag so they're not touching any of the liquid ammonia. And the next day I just filled our sink up with some hot soapy water and opened up that bag. Again, ammonia is very strong, so you want to make sure that you're wearing gloves when you are pulling these out of your bag. And already you can see all of the grease and nastiness that has just absorbed into that ammonia in the bottom, and it was literally black. It was so disgusting and gross, but it gave me faith that this was actually going to work. Oh my gosh, it comes right off! This is ridiculous. After this is the one that had the Cheerio on it.
There, in fact, is a Cheerio.
It's a Cheerio. Look, I don't even have to get it in the water. Watch. And the stuff just.
Wow.
Oh my goodness, I was just so impressed with this. I don't know why we didn't try this sooner. Like I said, I have really tried everything to clean these, and there's always just spots that don't come off. So these are the before, the really bad before, and this is the after. I know you can buy drip pans, but why buy them when you can clean them up? Why throw something away when you really don't need to? And this is how it all looks put back together. Again, when you're cleaning off your burner coils, make sure those electrical parts aren't in the water, but they cleaned up really nicely as well. Thanks so much for watching, guys. As always, you can find more from us here. Make sure you subscribe so you can follow all of our adventures. Give it a big thumbs up and let me know down in the comments something nice, because I am so embarrassed by those dirty burners.